Hello everyone, you made the right click today if you've ever felt uncomfortable raising your hand in public or wearing sleeveless tops because of black underarms. Today, we're going to venture into some simple, at-home remedies to conquer this common issue. Stick around for some surprising tips. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends who might need it, and drop a comment on your thoughts or questions. Let's get into it. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Firstly, don't be too hard on yourself. Did you know that according to a study done by the Indian Journal of Dermatology in 2018, hyperpigmentation or black underarms is a common condition, and it's completely natural to want to deal with it? So, what can you do? One thing you might not have thought about is potatoes. Yep, plain old potatoes. They've got natural bleaching properties and they're mild enough not to cause any irritation. Just take a potato, slice it up, and rub it under your arms for about 10 minutes, then wash off. Do this daily, and you'll start noticing a difference. But remember, consistency is key. Another approach to lighten up those underarms is using baking soda and lemon, a combination that works wonders. According to a study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, lemon has skin lightening properties, while baking soda helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. Mix a tablespoon of each to make a paste, apply it under your arms, leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse. Again, make it a part of your routine. Now, this could take some time, so don't be disappointed if you don't see immediate results. It's like waiting for a cake to bake. It won't happen instantly, but give it time and you'll love what comes out of the oven. Same deal here. If you're a little bit wary about DIY remedies, you might want to consider some over-the-counter lightening creams or consult a dermatologist. Just like you take your car to a mechanic for a tune-up, sometimes your skin might need some professional attention too. And last but not least, remember to maintain good hygiene and exfoliate regularly. That's just like cleaning your house. You can't just do it once and expect it to stay clean forever, right? So take that extra couple of minutes in the shower to keep your skin healthy. And that's a wrap for today's session on how to get rid of black underarms. Every little step can take you closer to regaining your confidence and feeling good about yourself. Remember to hit the subscribe button, share this video with friends who might benefit from it, and leave a comment about your journey or any tips that have worked for you. Until next time, keep shining, because you're worth it.